CMRE 25 is a competition of underwater robots set in an underwater cables scenario that we have reconstructed here at CMRE. Here we have top European universities that have been here for a whole week to develop their robots and test their robot at sea. This year, for the first time, we have a multi-domain competition in which a drone robot detects some intruder and sends its position to the underwater robot that starts its mission underwater. The challenge is to investigate robotic system for anti-sabotage of underwater sea cable. But this is much more, because to do that you need some basic features of robotics like autonomous navigation, cooperation, multi-domain, advanced perception and autonomy. These are exactly the building blocks for the future robots of tomorrow.
It's our first competition. Some are really veterans at the competition. We want to learn, we want to see, we want to compete. Winning is probably not in the books. What we built in just half a year from the ground up, the frame, everything, the AI, the mechanical part, the electrical part, the hydraulic arm. We did so much as a team. I'm really, really proud of what they built and did.
So this is the Mini Girona. It's a multi-vectorial thruster system, as you can see, which means that there's a lot of redundant degrees of freedom which allow us to do some holonomic motion. Actually, we had a lot of discussions with the different teammates. We sit down together at lunch too and we speak, and we sometimes try to stick to the classical methods, but a lot of the other universities are being more out of the box with their approaches. It just shows you a different perspective on how you can achieve the same task.
But the real world scenario is not same as the lab, but it's amazing because you can share this, your passion for robotics and science, and merging it with people from around Europe, and you can enjoy the achievement all together.
I think that the only ones who remained cool was myself, watching you from the office. And the robots that were actually cooled in the water. So congratulations to you guys. We're really happy to host this event at CMRE.